Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and Tunnel.sys Blue mirror in Windows 11. How to fix? Firstly, Windows R and type very figure. Then OK. Then yes. Then guys, next to enable and radiation button, create standard setting. Option under selected a task and Windows press next. Okay. So already created and then click to next. Okay, then come to next step. So choose automatically and select all driver install on this computer, optional, and hit to finish button. Okay, automatically, and then yes. Okay, then your system automatically restart, and please do not restart because wait, one more method is pending. So this is finished and then we'll restart. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. and you comment me have an issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.